What's up everybody, it's your boy Space Donks, and yes, it's a Virgin Galactic video. I started this channel with a Virgin Galactic video a few months back, and here we are, it has happened. Richard Branson is the first billionaire to enter space out of an airport, out of a spaceport, baby. This stock is going to the moon. You're probably asking yourself, if that is so, then why is it $41 right here, 4:20 p.m. my time, after hours? And this is why. Virgin Galactic falls 17% after it gets set to sell $500 million in stock following Branson's successful flight, according to CNBC.com. Link in the video description below. Shares of Virgin Galactic slipped on Monday after the company filed to sell up to $500 million in common stock. This follows the commercial spaceflight company's successful test flight with founder Sir Richard Branson. Now, guys, listen to me. I want you to look at the big picture long term, okay? We're gonna just read a little bit more through this article, but don't go anywhere. I'm gonna paint a picture of the future for you and why I think this is definitely going to the moon. Over $100 per share. Listen to this. Virgin Galactic, which trades under the ticker SPCE, fell 17.3% after it filed a notice of its stock sale offering with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Trading in Virgin Galactic was briefly halted Monday due to the volatility. Can you believe that, guys? Virgin Galactic has 240 million shares outstanding, of which 164.6 million are available on the public for trading, which is known as a float. Based on Friday's choosing price of $49.20 US, of course, dollars, Virgin's 500 million offering would equate to nearly 10.2 million shares. The flight was successful. We went up. It was amazing. It was blazing. As you can see on screen right here, I'm going to keep repeating it. This was a big deal. In the future, guys, this is going to be so epic, I'm telling you. Well, let's just read a little more about this, or give you some intel on what is going on, how it will go up to outer space, how much it's going to be roughly, and we'll get over this stuff. So Virgin Galactic's Unity is designed to hold up to 6 passengers along with 2 pilots. The company has about 600 reservations already, guys, for tickets on future flights, sold at the prices between $200,000 and $250,000 each. To the ultra rich, that is not much money. Real talk. Really, it's a lot of money, but to them, it's not like a heck of a lot of money for a once-in-a-lifetime experience into outer space and become an astronaut, guys. That is crazy. Just think about that. The first time in history this is happening, where civilians can go up in something that resembles a plane, but it's actually a spaceship, and look down at the Earth. It's crazy. Ticket sales have yet to be announced. Bernstein expects them to come at a higher price point, between $400,000 and $500,000. We'll see. So guys, think about this. This is going to be crazy, because eventually, like, it's already becoming cheaper and cheaper and cheaper to enter space. It's cheaper to build satellites and get satellites out there. Eventually, the price points will get lower. There's going to be ultra rich people that are willing to pay to get on that flight and go to outer space for the once-in-a-lifetime adventure. So, of course, right now it seems absurd, maybe to some of you, that the stock has went down today. Some of the people talking right now, that I went through some posts somewhere, they didn't realize about the $500 million sell of the stock, but it's going to sell that. And in the long term here, I am seeing a very bullish few hundred, maybe a few thousand, might be like Tesla in the future. This stock is going to go up to the moon. I'm telling you right now. I think by the dip, whether it's sell the news accompanied by Virgin Galactic's successful flight with Sir Richard Branson entering outer space, beating Jeff Bezos, being the first billionaire into outer space, a successful flight, and this is what happens. You get a sell-off accompanied by, like I said, that $500 million stock sell-off, or set to sell, and that spooked some people, and that's why it dropped. But I'm telling you right now, buy the dip, because this stock is going to rip. And of course, in the futures, there's other factors. There's a lot of variables in there. Unfortunately, accidents may occur, like with any plane or any other spaceship ride into outer space now commercially in the future, that, like Boeing, some unfortunate accidents happen, driving the stock down. But overall, I think if you get in on Virgin Galactic, it's a really good entry into the future of something huge. We have runways all over the world, JetBlue, Delta, whatever, Euro Air, whatever airlines you want to call it. Now we're going to be seeing space ports instead of airports, and here we go, guys. There's going to be another era here of space flight that is just unbelievable, history in the making, and I believe one day this is definitely possibly several thousand per share. But let's be realistic and look at the short term or the immediate, let's say the immediate long-term future, meaning like 2-3 years out. Definitely over $100 per share. Let's see what happens. I'm really bullish on this. This is unbelievable. Virgin Galactic Holdings, if you don't know, is an aerospace and space travel company which engages in the manufacture of advanced air and space vehicles and provision of space flight services for the private individuals like us and researchers. Yes, I am your boy. I'm a retail investor just like you, so do your due diligence before you do anything. I am not a professional, and this is not investment advice, but I'm just saying, for me, I believe this is going to go to the moon, and this is a really good investment, and I say buy the dip. And maybe you want to wait for it to go lower. At some point, it should go back down to 35 and even 30 and maybe into the 20s again. It designs, let's continue on what this company does, Virgin Galactic. It designs spaceships which can fly anyone to space safely without the need for expertise or exhaustive time-consuming training, which is crazy. The company was founded on May 5th, 2017 and is headquartered basically in New Mexico. So guys, this is Virgin Galactic Holdings. This is an opportunity. Even if you did buy it here and it went down, say you got it at 41, which it is right now my time when I'm looking at it, and it went down to 35 the next day, don't worry. I wouldn't be worried. It's going to go back up, and it's going to go way past its all-time high in the long term. I believe it. I don't see how that doesn't happen. So guys, Virgin Galactic was really high in February. In Feb 2021, it was up $54.53 $59. It went up to basically $60 again. It almost reached there more recently, June 25th. So guys, I'm saying buy the dip. Wait for it to dip a little and grab it. Long-term investment, whatever you can get. Maybe if you have the option to buy fractional shares, you might want those. I think this is going to go to the moon, and the great space race is going to happen. And I wouldn't bother with the resistance for the long term. And is a new downtrend forming and all that? Perhaps, but I say buy the dip because it's going to rip eventually. You just have to be patient, and believe me, you get something like this cheap and then you look at it just soar, and you might want to make a profit by selling out of it. Personally speaking, I'm in it right now. I've been in it for a while. I sold some at one point to grab other things, but the majority of my Virgin Galactic's shares are intact. I still have them, and we're holding, we're not folding. Alright guys, I'll be back with another new video soon. Virgin Galactic, get that money guys. If you're here for the first time, smash that like button, hit the bell button. It's your boy Space Donks. Remember guys, to the moon, to Mars, and to the stars baby. I am out. Peace.